Train. Yesterday I said it is shh, 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 shh. It's pigeon. Go, go, go. Shh. What happened to this? Got stuck? Then push it off. Don't come inside. Okay, look at that. Finally, the wait is over. You see that? It's raining. So nice. Oh my god, you don't know how much we have suffered this last month. Entire month because of lack of rain. It's raining here after so many months. I think this is the first rain in 2025. Oh my god, so good. We have waited for this so long, you won't believe it. So long. I can get the smell of the mud, ground. The smell of earth, right? Oh, and thunder and lightning, whatnot. Patient. And if you're patient, everything is going to happen. Turn out well. We have been so patient. I mean, there's no way other than to be patient, but still. Oh my god, it's the first rain. It's not that strong, but it's okay. This is the first rain, so it's going to be like this. So I'm going out now. What I do is I'll hire an auto from here to go, and coming back I'll come by bus because it's otherwise it will be very dark today. By 6:30 it's going to be dark because of rain. Okay, so I just need about 40 minutes in one shop for the scanning and sending it, and then another 40 minutes for buying that hair accessories. I have to just walk around and find it. So I should be back by 6:30 or before that. Okay. Oh, this is the pant which is faded so much. I had to buy a black pant, but I don't think today I will have time. I don't think so. I have to buy it. Okay. So let's see, depending on the time, I'll go for that another day, leisurely. Not like you have so much of work to do. I don't like that. So that's it. You looked at that swimming pool and what was in your mind? The water therapy. I love water. So one task that you have to do is to teach me swimming, okay? I always had it in my mind, but this time I have to learn swimming. I know I can learn it, it's there in my, it's there. You know, you get to know what you can, right? Alright, I'll see you after 6 o'clock. I am not finished editing my video, still it's there. It's okay, I'll come back and then do it. I want to make it 40 minutes video, so which means I have to spend some more time. So I'll come back and then do it. I can't show the full view of what it is like because this camera doesn't allow. And this side is full of water. I don't want to step in water. So much of water here. I want to look in the mirror. So much water here, you know. So much wind has blown. We don't know, everything is scattered here. All the food and everything. Alright, take care. Okay, we are in Sarkarnagar. I have come to buy some. I had a very important task which I just finished. Now I thought as I came by auto, so which leaves me with a lot of time. And it is not raining. It has rained here. The road is messy, but I still have time. So we will buy something. I wanted something for my hair, like hair clips. So I'm going to buy some hair clips. Checked in one shop and got 2 of them, but that's not enough. I need more. So we're going to another shop. Okay, here at the end of this road, I have a shop. That's the only task I have. Then while going, probably I could have chart, some kind of chart, and then that's it, we go back. Okay. Today, after a very long time, we have experienced rain in Bangalore. This part, Bangalore, when I say yesterday, it has rained in most of the other parts. But it has not rained here. So what kind of a rain it was? I'll describe it as a light sprinkle of water. That's it. Like if you had fixed a sprinkler, what it would be like. That's the kind of rain it was. But as I said yesterday, it's a trailer. It's going to be different in the coming days. It's going to rain heavy in the coming days for sure. Yeah. But this was now the temperature kind of, it feels like it's cool, but you never know. When it rains like this, usually the temperature is meant to go higher than usual and not get any better. So let's see. Tomorrow you would know what it is. Okay. Which shop is this? Chili bit. Waiting for the bus. Another 20 minutes to reach my room. One thing is that the bus has to come, then getting down there, walking, then climbing the stairs, so it takes some time. So another 20 minutes I'll be there in the room. So hot. Oh my god. It doesn't look like it rained, but everywhere it's dry. So when it is like this, actually the heat is more. That's what That's not my bus. That's our far distance bus. Private bus. It feels so good to be back. It doesn't feel like it rained at all. Inside is sweating like anything. But there is some kind of chill, but the humidity is too much still. So I had 3 bhajis from there because I was so tempted because it rained. If it rains in India, you have to have something pakoras or something. It's like that. So I just had 3 chilies, fried chilies. It's 10 rupees, 3 pieces. I did a big mistake today. You know what happened? I did everything for what I went, but then I bought some hair clips, very beautiful ones, and I paid for it around 900 bucks. It was so beautiful, but I left it in the shop. Coming here, I'm searching and searching. I paid for it, I remember. Then I told him put a sellotape on this cover so that I can put it in my bag. But then I forgot to pick it and I left it there. Luckily, I found the number. I know the shop's name, and through one shop to another, I got the number. I spoke to him. Now he said it's here. You can come anytime, any day. So tomorrow I have to go again. You know, I was thinking, oh my god, today so comfortably I went in an auto and I came back in the bus, and it was so comfortable. I didn't strain myself walking so much. But now again tomorrow I have to go. So what I will do is tomorrow I will have my lunch there. After my chamber work, I'll just go dress up, go have my lunch there, and collect this one. And anyway, from afternoon it's going to be like this only. It will not be sunny. It will be like this. So leisurely I'll go get this and buy my black pant and another pant. I don't know why this pant is so faded. Tomorrow I'll just wash it properly and see if it is the soap powder, because this side is not, only the bottom part is faded. It could be the soap which is not gone properly, maybe the detergent. Here it is not. It is just fine. Okay, so let's see tomorrow. That's a mistake I did. I wanted to show you all my clips which I bought. It's so beautiful. One of each one, like, you know, it's 300 bucks and all. These days clips are also expensive.
Style is the answer to everything.
What is there inside? Spray. But we have to remove this. Only one.
I have seen it, I've never used it. This one is easy. That is that white. And a little top you have to spray white snow like it will fall. Not on the face. Raise your hand and spray like this. That one I don't know how it is. But use your pressure, she said, na? Pushing. Na? Why are you standing there? Why are you here? Huh?
cake. Bring her. What? Thank you so much. It is chocolate. Oh, it's a surprise. I follow it, mom.
Where is the cake? You didn't know that?
Okay, one more time today.
Thank you. Welcome.
But we have to store it in.
You can't store actually. It will become stale. That's what I'm telling. It's
But this much is. How much gram it is? 750. So 500.
These people also I called, nah, they didn't come.
But this is taking too much.
Yeah.
Why is it taking so much time? I don't understand.
அதெல்லாமே
This is maximum is 180. This maximum is 180 for this. The other one, no, we just left it like that for so much time.
என்ன பொண்ணு அப்படியே ஸ்டக் ஆயிட்டா போகுது அந்த மொமெண்ட்ல அவங்க ட்ரீம் ஏமாறுது it will come after 30 minutes. Do not show me light. I don't want to show my ugly face. இந்த லைட்டே இருக்கட்டும் அப்படியே நீ உன்னையே வந்து லைட்
Oh, but it's in mine. It's not coming.
கையிலே பிடிச்சிக்கலாமா?
What? On the floor we can cut.
Yeah. Let's do
Yeah,
something
yeah,
different. I
yeah.
think
What's wrong? Keep it down.
கையிலே பிடிச்சிக்கலாம்.
No, how blowing and all you'll do, Kaila. Oh my God, it's chocolate. I hate chocolate.
ஓ இது வந்து பண்ணிருப்பாங்க.
Where is one girl? Where is? Where is Swati? Yeah, that is nice. Now you do one thing. You want to hold it, take this, and she will cut. That's nice. Oh, somebody is taking. If somebody is taking photo, then you can take. I am not. I am taking.
Cake, ma. You smoking?
கண்டஸ்டடா இருக்கு கீழ. டேய் டைம் ஆயிடுச்சுடி. சாரி.
Come this side. In this one is here.
Yeah, come
In
here.
front of that is why we put this. Yeah, here.
Why we decorate?
Why we decorate?
You don't need this. This is enough. This is enough. Yeah.
Actually there is a stick. Stick is there. என்ன மூளை? சரி சும்மா வெச்சேன். மூளை இல்லாம தான் பண்ணேன்.
Stand here.
You guys also come and stand.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, you cut.
You cut.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sneha.
What you want?
She's searching for birthday song.
We are singing no here.
நீ position ல
Hey, என் லைஃப்ல நடந்த ஒரே
Which song is this?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday to
You should fast forward little bit.
நான் உன்கிட்ட I love you சொன்னதை விட
Fast forward. Fast forward.
You love this song?
Birthday song.
This is birthday song.
What is this meaning?
உன் பிறந்த நாள். Happy birthday.
Ah,
First you heard that. Happy birthday, lady.
Thank you so much. Sudha. Jesse, come with us. Sudha, help. Is it on?
Wow, Pepsi is so chill.
I put one chocolate today. I feel like a birthday.
Once again,
Little bit.
show the side.
Take photo, ma.
I took.
What does it do? Drop it down.
யார் எடுத்துட்டு?
I'll take it now. The video's on. What is that you want? Which one?
This is you wanted to.
Which one? What do you want?
Just video. Just no. For some 8 to 10 seconds you take. 10 seconds you take.
There, you want me to climb on that and take?
No, you stand here. Can you stand on the bed?
Yeah.
Ready, guys? 30 seconds video, 30 seconds video. Just
I don't know that. I can't keep a track of 30 seconds.
No, it will show na the timing. No,
It's so hard.
Okay, ready? Like that. Where you want to?
So I'm going out. It's a long walk for me. I'll take out my umbrella. Not decided what to have for lunch. I want to have pizza because I've not had it for so many days, but not sure if because by the time I reach there I'm going to be so hot and sweating even if I have the umbrella. So something I'll have, then I'll walk to that end of the day. For tomorrow, definitely that's what is more important. Oh my god, look at that bindi. I hate it. These people don't cook anything. This bindi is like you have to throw it. That bad it will be. I'll get something. Okay, so that's about it. Let's take out the umbrella. See what I have more. Today I'll be getting 2 pens also. Okay. Want to see what it is? What is that? It's called vada. Look at how I'm sweating. I'm walking this. Okay. Now after this I ordered cheese masala dosa. Why I didn't go to Pizza Hut because tomorrow it's so hot. That's why I didn't make video. Can't make video. Either you can hold the umbrella or wipe your sweat or make a video. Okay. I'm going to buy my pants. I bought that the thing that I hair accessories which I had misplaced. What, you said something to me? So no. Okay, so I was telling you my head is aching, you know. I have to go back and have a bath. Then it's going to be fine. So I go see my pant and then go back and have a bath. Then it's going to be fine. It's that hot, you know. It's that hot. Where are the cakes? Okay. That's about it. What I had for lunch: curd vada and cheese masala dosa. Masala dosa, I hate masala dosa. But when I heard cheese, I had that. Because pizza, I'll have sitting at home in the PG in my leisure time. And pizza, okay? Take care. Let me try it.